Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm back with another advent calendar unboxing. You guys have seemed to really enjoy all of my advent calendar unboxings, so today I'm going to be opening the Feelunique advent calendar. I believe this is like a UK website or brand, but you can get this in the United States. So really quickly, before we start the unboxing, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to enter that. And then also make sure you guys turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you will receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So as I said, I'm going to be unboxing the Feelunique advent calendar, and you guys, this thing is huge. So the Feelunique advent calendar is a 25-day advent calendar, and from what I've seen, this is going to have really good products in it, hopefully. I can't remember exactly how much this costs. Okay, so I just went to the Feelunique website, and the price of this is $106, and it's sold out right now, but there is a wait list, so if you guys put your email address in, hopefully you guys can get your hands on this advent calendar, but right now it is sold out. I want to say with like shipping and everything that I paid around like $120, maybe a little bit less for this advent calendar. So first of all, the packaging of this advent calendar is beautiful. It's very heavy. This is a huge advent calendar. All right, so hopefully I have it laid out like on my desk here. Hopefully we can do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out day number one. These do come out in drawers. So here it is. It is just like a little drawer that you pull out. I feel like these advent calendars are like a really good like gift idea for someone. All right, so the first thing in day number one is this product. This is from the brand Emma Hardy. This is their Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream. So I believe this is just like a moisturizer, which is always nice to get. This says it reduces areas of dark pigmentation, reduces areas of high color, reduces visible signs of aging, and increases cellular renewal. All right, so we're starting off. Day number one is good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out day number two. Oh, day number two is so good. So it is a product from Charlotte Tilbury. I have never tried any products from Charlotte Tilbury because they're so expensive. So this is Charlotte's Magic Serum. So this says it makes 93% of skin look younger. So here's what the little bottle looks like. It says that you're supposed to massage a few drops into clean skin morning and evening before your magic moisturizer. All right, so this is a really exciting thing to get. I've always wanted to try anything from Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, now we're gonna open day number three. So day number three is pretty long. Let's see what this is. So we got a shampoo, and this is from the brand Fenves. That might be wrong, but this is their Brilliant Gloss Moisturizing High Shine Shampoo. So I'll probably just put this in a giveaway for you guys because I don't really see myself trying out a new shampoo. Next up we have day number four. So this looks like it's a hand cream. So this is from the brand Neom, I believe. And this is their Calming Hand Balm. I was actually just thinking the other day that I needed a new hand cream. So this says it has lavender, jasmine, and Brazilian rosewood. The scent of this, not my favorite. It kind of reminds me of like a more like mature, older scent. It doesn't smell bad, it's just not like my favorite kind of scent, but I was excited about the hand cream, just not the smell. So next we have a day number five. I'm gonna try and go through these like pretty quickly. So we got a face mask, and this is from the brand Rhodial. I believe there was a product from this brand in the Glossy Box advent calendar as well. And this is their Vitamin C Energizing Face Mask. So this says it brightens and renews the skin. It says it's instant, rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. So that is really nice. I believe that is a more expensive skincare brand. Next up we have day number six. What is this? I think I got this like in a FabFitFun one time, and this is their pillow spray. I believe it's just like a calming spray that you put on your pillow before you go to bed. Yeah, it says spray onto pillow before bedtime, and it helps you like relax. Next up is day number seven. The thing started popping up. Okay, this is a good one. This is a microfiber velvet blender. This reminds me of like the Juno & Co sponges. Look how cute this little sponge is. It feels pretty nice. I just pulled over one of my Juno & Co sponges. This one feels a little bit softer and more airy, which I like. I feel like the Juno & Co ones are like super dense. So this one actually feels really nice. I'm actually really excited to get that. All right, next up we have day number eight. Ooh, Ooh, this is a good one. So this is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Bronzing Water. I've actually always wanted to try this out. This is just like a self tanner. It says that it has a tropical scent, so I'm gonna definitely have to try this out, and I feel like that's a really good brand to get in an advent calendar because Saint Tropez is pretty expensive. Next up we have day number 9, which is another long box. What is this? So this looks like it's another skincare product. This is from the brand Grown Alchemist, and this is their polishing facial exfoliating with pink grapefruit and some kind of extract. So this just looks like it's an exfoliator. I'll probably just put this in a giveaway because you guys know that I'm not like super big into trying new skincare, but I guess that is nice to get. An exfoliator is always nice to have. All right, moving on to day number 10. What is this? Is this a hair care product? All right, this is from the brand Avita, I believe is how you say it, and it looks like this is leaking or something. This is their Smooth Infusion Style Prep Smoother. This says that it's like a pre-style treatment. It says to prep hair for styling, work a small amount of product into the hands and apply through damp hair. Style as desired. Okay, that smells terrible. All right, moving on to day number 11. This one feels heavy. What is this? Ooh, okay, day number 11 is a good one. This is from the brand Elemis. This is their Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I believe this is like a makeup remover type cleansing balm, which I love. I'm not that big into like rose scented things, but I'm definitely gonna be trying this out, so that's really exciting. This is a pretty expensive skincare brand. Next up we have day number 12. This is a pretty big day. These actually came in the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty. These are from the brand Elizabeth Arden. Maybe these are not actually the same, but they are like these little capsules with skincare product in them. These are the Advanced Ceramide capsules. Okay, so these are different. I believe the ones in the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty were like vitamin C capsules, and these ones are like ceramides. I hope I'm saying that right. I believe that's also like another pretty expensive skincare brand. All right, moving on to day 13. This is really heavy. Okay, day number 13 is actually a candle, which I think is such a cute thing to get in an advent calendar. This is from the brand Urban Apothecary, and the scent is Fig Tree. The scent of this reminds me of like shaving cream, like men's shaving cream. That's exactly what this smells like. I wonder how this would smell like lit in your house. Even though the scent is not my favorite, I actually really like that there's a candle in here. I thought that was really cute. Next up we have day number 14. Okay, so this is actually a really good one. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and this is the volume version of the mascara. I believe people really love the blue one. Maybe it is the pink one. I've heard really good things about this mascara. It has a nice like curved wand. Essence is a really like affordable brand, so I'm not like too excited that this is in here because this is like a pretty expensive advent calendar, but I am excited to try it out. Day number 15 is also a long type box. Let's see, this looks like another face mask or something. Yes, so this is another like sheet mask. This is from the brand Beauty Pro. This is their Thermo Therapy Warming Gold Mask. So this says that it has hyaluronic acid and Q10, suitable for all skin types. It's their anti-aging formula. It says it's self-warming, intense hydration for fatigued skin, and it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So that is day number 15. Now we're gonna open day 16. Ooh, okay. We got a product from NARS. This is their High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Viva Veneto, I believe is how you say it. So it's just like a pencil liner, and this is just a black liner. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that is very creamy and very black. There it is right there on my hand. I'm actually really excited about this one. I don't think I've ever tried any of NARS eyeliners, so day number 16 was good. Next up we have day 17. Ooh, okay, we have another good thing. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is the hydrating primer. I actually have the full size of this. This is like the little mini like travel size version of it. This is actually a really good thing to get in the advent calendar. Laura Mercier has really nice products, and this primer is really good. Next up we have day number 18. Okay, we have another good product in here. This is a skincare product. This is their One Step Facial Cleanser. I believe I had tried this in the past. I haven't used this in such a long time. I know a lot of people love this, so that is exciting to get. Moving on to day number 19. Oh my gosh, these keep getting better and better. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. You guys know I'm obsessed with their Boom Boom Cream. The Coco Cabana Cream is also really good. It's more of like a gel type body lotion, and it smells so good. I know a lot of people like either love this scent or hate it. I think it smells really good. It definitely reminds me of like a summer like tropical type scent. Moving on to day number 20. What is this? This is so cute. So this is from the brand By Terry, and this is their little lip balm. How cute is this little lip balm? So adorable. It smells like rose, which it doesn't smell bad, but I'm just not that big into rose. But this little packaging is so adorable. All right, day number 21 has like stuff coming out. So, ooh, this is a good one. Oh my gosh, I'm like really impressed with like the past few days. So this is the Tan Luxe The Face, and these are self-tanning drops for your face. And these are the light to medium version. I actually have this in the full-size bottle, and I love this product. It really gives your skin like a nice natural looking tan. I never put like actual self-tanner on my face, so I'll always use these drops, so I'm really glad that this came in here. That is a really good thing to get. Next up, we have day number 22. So we have this product here from Nukes, I believe is how you say it, and I believe this is just like a skincare product. This is like not even in English. Okay, wait. Oh, it is. It says ultra comforting face balm that intensely nourishes, soothes, and helps to repair the skin with honey and precious oils. I believe this is just like a moisturizer. Moving on to day number 23, we have another skincare product, and this is from the brand Origins, and this is their Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. I know a lot of people love this brand of skincare, so I actually think this is a really good thing to get in the advent calendar. All right, we only have 2 days left. Next up, we have day number 24. We have another skincare product. This is from the brand Saturday Skin, and this is their Bright Potion Probiotic Power Serum. It says that you're supposed to use it morning and night. It says to warm product by emulsifying, then press serum into the skin. Use a tapping motion for maximum absorption. I believe this is like a more affordable skincare brand, so that is exciting. All right, now we only have day 25 left, and this is, I think, the biggest one in here. Okay, I just saw something peeking out. So here is day number 25. Oh, there are 3 things in here. This is like really like a full Christmas present for you. All right, so first up we have this right here from Zoeva, and this says it's an eye brush. 228 Luxe Crease Brush. Oh, how cute. This is just like a little blending brush. Here is the brush up close. The bristles are nice and like fluffy. This actually feels very nice. I feel like this would blend out shadow like really easily, especially like right into the crease, so that's really exciting. Then we have a product from Morphe, and this is the Morphe eyelid primer, and I've actually always wanted to try this. This one is in the shade Translucent. Let's see. I love that this comes like in a squeezy tube. I'm gonna put some on my hand. So there it is right there. The like texture of this reminds me of the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then the last thing that comes in this advent calendar, which is like the grand finale, is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I actually already have this palette, so even though I'm excited it's in this advent calendar, I'm just gonna be putting this like in a giveaway for you guys, but it's just a gorgeous like red tone palette. Here is the palette up close. How exciting is it to get Huda Beauty in an advent calendar? And then here are the shades. Such a gorgeous palette. All right, so that is everything that comes in the Feelunique advent calendar. Honestly, I feel like this was a really good one. This one is definitely up there like with the Glossy Box advent calendar. I feel like it's a really good price, and you get a lot of like really good things. And I actually love that day number 25 had 3 things in it. This is the only advent calendar that had multiple things in day 25, so it really felt like it'll be like a Christmas gift, because you're supposed to open day number 25 like on Christmas. So yeah, I really enjoyed this advent calendar. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to enter that. And also, before you go, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.